Hey guys, welcome back to BlakeWrTv Kitchen. It's now your boy in the kitchen, Chef Blake. Today guys, we have a good amount of variety of different meat right here. What you're looking at right here is some steak, different cuts. And here we have some cow. This is not a liver, it is not a kidney. In Jamaica we call it the sweetbread. There's a name for it. I'm gonna post it on the screen guys so you guys can see what this is called. This is what we're gonna be cooking today. Something new on the show. Over here, we have the chicken as usual. We have some shrimp. We're gonna make some curry shrimp and some chicken. Here, guys, we have some more chicken over here as well. We're gonna do some jerk chicken over here. But for this video, we're gonna focus only on this right here. We'll focus on this meat right here because this is what we're gonna be cooking for this video. So just showing you guys what's going on in the background. So let's jump right into it. This is a nice piece of meat. In Jamaica we call this the sweetbread. Yep, tastes real good. I haven't had this in many years, so I was happy to see this in the store. And let's give you a good look at what it is. This is the lungs. That's what it is, the lungs. My bad guys, I couldn't remember. But yeah, this is the lungs of the cow. So yeah, this is the lungs. So if you guys never tried the lungs before, this is what the lungs look like. This is what allow the cow to breed, and all of us as well. So yep, this is some lungs right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it up and season it up and get it going. Okay guys, so here we are with the lungs of the cow. And for the first time, like I said before, we are gonna make this thing.
car. Then give me the key and say, go on and drive the car. Did nobody go in and tell me, say, oh, this is the light, this is that. Me a driver, so me go in and drive. Same with phone, you're a user of a phone, you use the phone. Man, I should tell you about blocking the phone star. It thing's stressful, man. Then you can blame me. Things are me stressful. I'm me stressful. Unless you guys just not listen to me.